How to join a Discord server without invite link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to join a Discord server without an invite link. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, let me tell you that you cannot join private Discord servers without an invite link. However, you can join public servers without one. So here, what you have to do is simply open the Discord app. And now here, once you are inside the Discord app, what you can do is simply go or tap on the search bar to explore server options. And there you can browse through different categories like gamings, technology, education, entertainment, and from there you can simply select server and then you can just tap on join with no invitation link to be required. And with that, if you like, you can go with the method 2, that is to join from official pages. So many Discord or public Discord servers share a join Discord button on the official websites or social media pages. So there you can simply go to any web browser and there you can simply search the servers that you want to join, and after that you can simply tap on the link, and after that you can simply go through their websites, and there you can just tap on join server and you'll be added to the server automatically. And that's it. That's how you can join a Discord server without an invitation link. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.